Kashnong sakwang kebetulan po Southwest Kasir District, Shen kan sayo no laga Jong ke Jakapuli ITI. Kini kalong hadian baka estimate committee Jong ke Mekhlea Legislative Assembly kala ban jurip ya kani ke jingtrai. Bat kalap baka jingtrai kalong ke babiang bakala pendap ru batu kontraktor ula pendap akapor ke babiang. Kani ke komiti ke bukan top ru yu MLA Jong ke Mokorwan uba aranik tol ndok tongkar uba Edilbert Nongrum MLA Jong ke North Shillong ba Waran Mishela MLA Jong ke Juwai MLA Jong ke Sasela u Administrator Marak ka MLA Jong ke Ampati ka Mami ka MLA Jong ke Ampati ka Miani Dishira MLA Jong ke Ramrai Jengam Remington Gabil Momin bat uba daman bat lamari MLA Jong ke Umroi uba Meral Bon uliat hu baha bari jurip ya kate ke jengtrai ya kani ke ITI la syam bakalong ke jengtrai ke Pastat hakaba kontraktor ula pendap akapor ke babiang baru la ongru bah dia meradak pentai ya kani ke ITI Shen sa IT no sekata ke badi berpenyai kenang bagi samla pulih dengan dikatahan ke yo pasdang ya ke jeng pulih ITI hakan di ke jaka nak kalian juga komiti ru ka aisngu nak kalian juga komiti ka ai kebli kerpang ru ya ke snong ka bal aisngu ha ya kan di ke jaka mentai ya kan di ke institute
Sakwang for the inspection of this ITI here. We would like to express our sincere thanks to the landowner or the community who have donated land as the common of I. Nagasino, yeah, so free of cost. Publish pun nagamentay yung langba yung serdar ng ay kubli dor barsinong baro. Di balano so bahay kini jaka dunay ka sa wakar malumala kalong buta. Ya kabala ay so bahay kini jaka ko itinan nagabantaban sinay kini ka ITI. Disibun ni fiba baka komiti gitu fi baro. But at the same time, special thanks to the department, employment and craftsmen, and then the PUD building, being the implementing agency, and the committee observed, and we find out that it is quite satisfactory that the work is 100% completed as per the record. We have seen the administrative block, and we have seen the rooms where the practical will be held here, and we have seen the surrounding fencing also have been completed, even the compound has been properly made. So the committee is happy to see, and we also do give thanks to the contractor also, Bung Singh, who has completed the work. We hope to see that another issue that is still left to make it full functional, as we have said in inspection inside, where the external electrification at the same time water supply need to be in place, and also manpower is already in place for sanctioning of manpower. And we would like to see that as soon as possible, the committee also will submit a report, and if there is any issue from the department concerned that you want to flag off, any issue with regards to the completion of this project, you can flag off now. We'll take cognizance of the issue that will be raised here in front of us, and also other issue from the PUD building also, if there is any issue, and also from the district administration also. So on this note, and we are happy to see that all the 5 trades that has been prepared to be made fully functional here. We'll hope to see the light of the day. Kani kalong ujung mentoy nagamantagi pa iba ang functional Jong the Southwest Kastil District hakaba Kuwi di district kiba bad aslam tham no aslam aragar khatar bala di kene district mentang layo kene ITI kaba itna nang pengjing mentoy jeung ki kun samla jong dong baga than ban training yalade hakini ki santli kini snatrikam kibaka Department Jong ke Employment and Craftsmen la de banbu kene ka jaka kumbala apa sutu kini ki trade kiberan hang ni ki nagamanta ka surface ornamentation technique embroidery sujan nang ta kini ki wireman ban snaline nang ta kene ka OACP kene ka full form gidi kamu ya office assistant computer program nangta kapasaw gidi multimedia animation special effect nangta kapasan gidi driver kom mechanic kini gidi samla yo ban kiji kai ba per nang ni kan long ji mentoy nagabanta jong ki Nongshna jong kan ka district ka bi ki jongi Southwest Kasihil apo jong ne hat headquarter mau perwat apo jong sakwang ni di kalong gejin kemen ka komiti bingawan ngani apo tu minap ni dokumen bangi ba kakam kaya step deploy pat le kita yo se gidang dan kinu kino di benta ki ba kwa ban pensno yang department yang ka implementing agency yang ka shnong ru ta ter na yang lokal MLA ba renik di kum trying presno ni pensno di ban hadin haswa bakin yo misi menta gitu honorable member also you can participate by advice or any issue you want to you can take part in the discussion. Before that I would like